Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to TrendTrove. Today, we've got some alarming news for all you Apple fans out there. Just when Apple thought they had solved the overheating issues with the iPhone 15 Pro, another problem rears its ugly head: OLED burn-in. OLED burn-in is not a new concern. It's when static images get imprinted on the screen over time. But it's a bit of a shocker to see it happening on the iPhone 15 Pro Max so soon after its release. Now, for those who are not familiar with OLED technology, it's known for its deep blacks and vibrant colors. However, it has this Achilles heel, and that's the potential for burn-in. Burn-in happens when static elements, like the navigation bar, status icons, or even app logos, remain on the screen for extended periods. Apple users have been taking to various forums to share their experiences. One user reported burn-in after just 14 days of use. They even had the always-on mode enabled, which should help prevent this issue. Speaking of the always-on mode, it's designed to display essential information on the lock screen without consuming much power. It's supposed to shift pixels slightly to prevent burn-in, but it seems like it's not working as expected for some. So, what does Apple have to say about this? Well, when a customer took their iPhone 15 Pro Max with burn-in to an Apple store, they were told it's a case of ghosting. Typically, the solution is to replace the screen, but guess what? There were no parts available due to the phone's recent release. Many users are confirming this issue, and it seems to be affecting only the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple has agreed to replace these affected phones once replacement units are in stock. But how widespread is the problem? That's unclear. This unexpected hiccup for the iPhone 15 Pro Max might affect Apple's reputation, especially when users are shelling out a premium for their flagship devices. So, what can you do if you're an iPhone 15 Pro Max owner? Well, you might want to consider turning off the always-on mode or regularly changing your screensaver. It could help prevent burn-in. In a nutshell, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is facing an unexpected challenge with OLED burn-in. It's certainly a hiccup for Apple's latest flagship, which was already dealing with overheating concerns. So, if you're an iPhone 15 Pro Max owner, have you noticed any burn-in issues? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to TrendTrove for all the latest tech news.